Matt Carr, Field Service Manager here at Torrent Drive International. These are the tools you're going to need to change the brake pads on the TGD machines for the normal brake pad. Snap ring pliers, 18mm wrench, the normal brake tool, a drift punch, hammer, and a soft face hammer. Using the 18mm wrench and the normal brake tool, remove the scales on each brake arm for the normal brake. Using the normal brake tool and the 18mm wrench, lock the lock nut in place and loosen the jam nut against the gearbox. Then remove the stud from the gearbox using the outer lock nut. Using the snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring from the pin that holds the brake pad in place. Using the drift punch and a hammer, remove the pin from the brake. Reinstall the brake pad and reinstall the pin. Using the snap ring pliers, reinstall the snap ring on the pin. Using the 18mm wrench, reinstall the bolts for the brake. Using the manual brake release, release your brakes and check them with the feeler gauge at the bottom of the brake. It should be between 0.1 and 0.5 millimeters on both sides. Using the 18mm wrench and normal brake tool, install the scales back onto each arm and set back to specifications for the torque. With the brake release lever at 12 o'clock, check to make sure you have play in both plungers on the brake coil.